Here you'll see two numbers that are not in proper scientific notation. Remember, in order to be in proper scientific notation, there needs to be one digit to the left of the decimal. We don't typically draw in decimals in whole numbers, but our decimal is right here at the end of the number. In order to be in proper scientific notation, I would then need to go 1, 2 spaces to the left. This now leaves one digit to the left of the decimal. Because I made this number 2 times smaller, I now need to make my exponent 2 times bigger. So if your coefficient gets smaller, your exponent gets bigger. Coefficient got smaller by 2, so the exponent gets bigger by 2. My new number is 1.9 times 10 to the 10th power. Let's look at this other one. It currently has a negative exponent. Again, not in proper scientific notation. My decimal is here. I need to move it 1 to the left. Since this got 1 smaller, my exponent gets 1 larger. Recognize with a negative exponent, it is going to get closer to 0. So 3.2 times 10 to the negative 3rd power. There's one more example we can look at, which would be a number like 0.046 times 10 to the 3rd power. This is not currently in scientific notation. I need to take the decimal, and this time I'm going to the right, 1, 2 spaces. 4.6 times 10. Will I move 2 to the right, so that got 2 bigger, which means this exponent has to get 2 smaller, so 10 to the 1st power.